Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just thought I'd show you my lockback pocket knife collection real quick. So let me run through them. This is an Imperial Wildcat Skinner. Pretty big lockback knife. This is let's see, compared to this Buck 110. We do have the Buck 110 here. This one is in really bad condition, and I might one of these days send it in and get it fixed up. Really loose blade there. There's a Buck 112, and it's in pretty shabby condition as well, but it's still the blade's still tight. And this is just a Pakistan lockback. This one just says made in Japan, but I really like this design on this knife. There's a lot of scratches on this one, but the layout of the knife is really cool. It's a Kershaw. Made in Japan. We've got some plastic ones here. There's a little Imperial. This is the mini-me version of this one. Imperial. It's a little case, lockback, general purpose. Throw it in your pocket. Kershaw. I really like this one. It's an old gerber. I like the grip on it. This is a Sears, vintage Sears lockback. Case mini copper lock. Boker Plus. It was a Pakistan with a Tanto blade. Tanto. Case Mako. This, another Pakistan. This is a Pakistan too. A little more decorative style there. Okay, then this is a Kissing Crane stiletto. This is an old Schrade, but this blade has just been used up, I'll tell you. Just a run-of-the-mill, just throw it in your pocket kind of knife, made in China. This one's made in China also. Another little Pakistan. Just like the look of this one. This one says Coast. Never heard of that company. Let's see. This is another Pakistan. Oh gosh, I'm getting my stuff mixed up here. Did I make through all of them? Okay, I think that's it. I think I made it through all of them. There you guys go. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.